Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're back in the kitchen and I'm going to show you how I make my favorite no-bake protein balls. They are super delicious, healthy, and I hope you enjoy them. If you do try them, please let me know. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to start with our bowl, make sure it's clean, and we're just going to put all the dry ingredients in here first. So we're going to use the oats, and I'm going to take 1 cup of oats and put that in here, okay? Then I'm going to go in with my unsweetened coconut flakes. I'm also going to take 1 cup. Then I'm going to take my maca powder. And this is where the energy is going to come from. It is a superfood, 2 tablespoons of maca. Then we're going to add our ground cinnamon. I was going to make a small batch, but I decided to add another 2 cups of oats, so in total I have 3 cups of oats and everything else is staying the same. So I'm going to make a larger batch because, let's face it, I'm probably going to eat half of this. So, and also I want to share with my family, so I'm going to make a bigger batch. And now I'm going to actually leave this alone. And now I'm gonna take my vanilla flavored protein and put some in here. And I'm actually gonna mix this with water, and then I'm also gonna add the blue agave because this is what's going to make your balls stick together. So I'll show you when that is done, and it should be a really like liquidy consistency, but still have some sort of texture. So I'll show you. So it's a little liquidy, but not too much. It's still kind of thick. So this is what your batter should look like. A little gooey. Like I said, if you need to make it more liquidy, add some more milk. You can even use some water if you want, or you can also add anything extra, whatever you want. But my batter came out perfect with whatever I used. And now we're gonna put this on a pan, and then we're gonna freeze it for like 30 to 45 minutes, or if you leave it longer, even better, and then they'll be ready to eat. So here I have my pan, my mix, and I'm just gonna put it in here. make sure that you press everything down. So this is what it looks like. And now it's gonna go in the fridge, like I said, for 30 to 45 minutes. If you can wait a little longer or even to the next day. And I'm actually gonna put some extra coconut flakes on top. And you can add whatever else you want to it, nuts, seeds, but I just want to keep it simple, and it's already going to be sweet. So I know that I said I would make them into balls, but once I cut them into squares, they just look so cute, so I left them like that. But you can definitely mold them into little balls if you want to do that. And then, like I said, I just added coconut flakes on top. These came out super, super good. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you try these, and if you do, don't forget to let me know, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.